Prosecutors in Clear Creek County will get a second chance to try former Sheriff's Deputy Andrew Buen on second-degree murder and official misconduct charges. Hello, I'm Kim Christensen.
I'm Tom Green. This afternoon's decision to retry Buen comes after the jury on Friday failed to agree whether he was guilty on those two charges.
9 News reporter Steve Steger spoke with the jury foreperson last night who believes a holdout juror did not disclose a bias about policing. He is joining us live in Georgetown. And Steve, it sounds like that message definitely got to the judge.
Yeah, Kim, the judge specifically said she wants to work on the jury questionnaires before this case goes to trial again. She made that request to the prosecution and defense as she set a new trial date for the second-degree murder and the official misconduct charges against Andrew Buen. Now, prosecutors told the court that they intend to retry Buen today after the jury hung on Friday. Last night, in her first TV interview since the trial, the jury foreperson, Christy Engelkirk, told me a tale of a frustrating deliberation where nearly every juror voted to convict almost immediately, while one juror refused to budge. She says that juror appeared to have a bias about law enforcement that they wouldn't give up, even as jury instructions specifically told them that they had to give up their biases. So today, the judge told both sides to solidify the jury questionnaires and the instructions. And sitting inside the courtroom, Engelkirk and another juror who felt that they needed to be there today. Afterwards, Engelkirk said that she's glad the judge wants some more clarity.
I think we would really want to talk about our jury questionnaire again and see if there are any possible revisions to that. Certainly, we had a lot of questions on there that turned out to not be really helpful questions, and I think we can firm it up a little bit.
People aren't going to flat out admit to biases, so I think if there can be questions on the questionnaire that get more to the heart of the problem, that might be helpful in getting the right jury this time.
So as it stands right now, the new trial is slated for August. Both sides will be back in court in July for a motions hearing on this case, where we expect they may start to solidify some of those instructions in the questionnaire. Buen, by the way, was convicted of reckless endangerment on Friday. That's the least of all the counts. It's a Class 2 misdemeanor. They are going to wait to sentence him on that charge until the outcome of the next trial. We're live in Georgetown. Steve Steger, 9 News.
We certainly have been learning a lot about jury and jury selection lately. We will continue to do that as this case moves forward. All right, Steve, thanks.